Brooke from Ample here. Today I'm going to be going over how to change your affiliate referral ID and customize any Ample website link to track your unique clicks and commissions. First, head to amplemeal.com. Then, click on the Affiliate Program tab in the top navigation bar. Scroll down and click Login here. Then, you can log into your affiliate account. Once you're all logged in, go to the side navigation bar and click My Profile. In the My Profile section, click on Personal Details. In this section, you can change information such as your username, password, and finally, referral ID. Under What would you like your referral ID to be, type in something you and your audience would easily recognize. I recommend using your name, social media, podcast, email, or blog handle, coaching group, or gym name. I'm going to change mine to my last name, Iyer. Be sure to also retype your password to confirm this change. Once you've done that, scroll down and click Save. You're good to go. I recommend refreshing the page or logging out and back in to ensure the changes are reflected on the platform. Now, onto link personalization. Using your new custom referral ID, any Ample link can be transformed into a trackable affiliate link. For example, if I'd like to link to Ample O bulk in my next blog article, I would go to that product page on the Ample website. Then, all I have to do to turn this into an affiliate link is type on the end of the current link /, hashtag, and my referral ID, which is my last name, Iyer. Click Enter. And you're all set. This can be done to virtually any Ample web page. Anyone who clicks on this link will be counted as one click to your affiliate profile. Currently, we have a landing page for Ample K specifically made for affiliates, which can be found under the banners and links sections under Promotion, as well as the top of the home page or any page on the general platform, listed next to General Affiliate Link. In the coming months, we will have affiliate landing pages for each formula, so stay tuned. If you have any questions about Ample's affiliate program, don't hesitate to contact me at affiliates@amplemeal.com or directly at brooke@amplemeal.com. Have a great day.